Hi, welcome to Pharmaceutical Concept, a channel for health and wellness. Today's topic of discussion is 17 health benefits of drinking warm water. Drinking warm water promote hair growth. It activates the roots of your hair and has added hair growth. The hot water promotes the regular activity of the roots and subsequently accelerate the growth of your hair growth and hair health and vitality. Drinking hot water aids in healthier digestion and improve the gut health of our body. Drinking warm water reduces the stress level and improves the central nervous system functions. You might be end up feeling less anxious if you drink warm water. Drinking hot water is also a good habit of obtaining soft and shiny hair. It energizes the nerve endings in your hair and makes them active. This is beneficial for getting back the natural vitality of your hair and keeping it healthy. Drinking warm water relieves the symptom of acidia, a condition during which esophagus has the trouble of moving the food down into the stomach and improve the gut health. Drinking warm water enhances the blood circulation and promote healthy nervous system. Another important benefit of drinking warm water is it enhances your blood circulation, which is important for proper muscle and nerve activity and helps to break down the fat deposit around it. Drinking warm water helps the body detoxification. Natural Drinking warm water, that is hot water, release the constipation and improve the gut health. Drinking warm water treats the nasal and throat congestion. Drinking warm water on regular basis can help to regulate your bowel movement and relieve the constipation and improve the gut health. Drinking warm water soothes the sore throat. Drinking warm water improves the blood circulation. Drinking warm water induces the sleep. Drinking warm water alleviates the menstrual cramps. Drinking warm water helps to melt fat deposits in the body. Drinking warm water improves the digestive health. Drinking warm water prevents acne and pimples. Thanks for your time. Like, share, subscribe and support us. Hope this video is interesting.